हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम 15 मई को द हिंदू पे जो आर्टिकल आया है, एक एडिटोरियल है, उस पे उसको पढ़ेंगे। इसका पढ़ने का मेन उद्देश्य वोकेबलरी को तैयार करना है। कुछ वर्ड्स हैं जो हमको नहीं आते हैं, बस उन्हीं को पढ़ना है। फूड ग्रेन्स विल ऑफर इमीडिएट रिलीफ बट वर्कर नीड मोर सब्सटेंसिव सकर। सकर का जो मीनिंग होता है वो होता है परेशानी में सहायता या राहत। More than 50 days since nationwide lockdown has announced by the union government, it is clear that what has done as public health measure to protect public from COVID-19 threat has snowballed. Snowballed का मतलब होता है increase rapidly in size और importance. तो इस लाइन को हम दोबारा से पढ़ते हैं। Measure to protect public from COVID-19 threat has snowballed into a major economic crisis for the urban poor in general and migrant labor in particular. The travails का मीनिंग होता है दुख या गम. The travails of migrant workers have been well documented with loss of livelihood. They have been pushed into penury. Penury का मीनिंग होता है दरिद्रता in their places of work. And with the lockdown initially preventing interstate travel, many have embarked an arduous journey. Arduous का मतलब होता है कठिन. Arduous journey to their native places to get some support at time of acute distress. In the second of a series of measures that are part of 20 lakh crore economic package, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has tried to address the need of these sections apart from small farmers. She has recognized that migrant workers have taken to the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme in a major way. After the center gave explicit instructions to reopen the scheme. एक्सप्लिसिट का मतलब होता है मुखर, या बोलेंगे स्टेटेड क्लियरली बोला है उन्होंने. explicit instruction to reopen the scheme. As in the past, that remains a lifesaver for public dependent on fragile livelihood, and the decision to expand it to the monsoon season is welcome. The government should also ensure that wages are paid without delay, a major problem with the scheme implementation lately. A waiver or at least an extension of the 100-day limit per household too would have helped. It is now up to the state to ensure the scheme is implemented properly. For migrants who are still stationed in their places of work and who are not beneficiaries of the National Food Security Act or state schemes, the Finance Minister has promised 5 kg of food grains per person and 1 kg of chana per family per month for 2 months. This will bring the number of people receiving subsidized food grains close to the legal requirement of the National Food Security Act, which is 67% of the population. It is welcome relief for many starved workers, but the government could have extended the public distribution system coverage to include more people who are suffering from loss of jobs and livelihood beside migrants workers. Ms. Sitaraman also announced that the One Nation One Ration Card scheme to allow migrant access any fair price, access की spelling यहाँ गलत लिखी है, any fair price shop across the country will be implemented by March 2021. But the scheme की spelling भी गलत लिखी है. But the scheme as implemented now has been utilized only sparingly. Sparingly का मतलब होता है समय से या किफ़ायत से. Sparingly by migrants and concerned from state like Tamil Nadu where PDS यानी कि Public Distribution System is nearly universal are yet to be addressed. Many of the announcements, including one from small farmers, are a combination of liquidity or credit easing measure of the extension of existing scheme. As things stand, they fall short of the substantive fiscal measures that could stimulate demand in the economy. After all, that seem to be the crux. Crux का मतलब होता है जड़ या most important point at issue. That seem to be the crux of the Prime Minister's promise of spending 20 lakh crore. तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.